Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain, guys, common mistake people make when replacing water pump that can practically destroy your engine and you may need the engine replaced or rebuilt. So make sure to stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo with a 1.4 turbo engine or a 1.4 fire engine. Now that has been used in multiple models, at least 6 models of Fiat and 4 models of Alfa Romeo. If you have one of those and you want to see where the water pump is located because you need to replace it, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, and a common mistake people make when replacing it that can cost you thousands of dollars. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's explain now where you can expect to find a water pump on a Fiat Alfa Romeo 1.4 fire engine. Turbo or non-turbo version will be about the same. Back in the day, the water pump often used to be driven by the serpentine belt, guys, on the engine, but now the serpentine belt, the only thing that it drives practically is the AC compressor, okay, and the alternator. If I go underneath, okay, let me show you. I can show you. There is no water pump there. Let me just scoot here quick. This is the serpentine belt, and if I come all the way towards the back, the only thing that we have that the serpentine belt drives practically through here, okay, this is, guys, the tensioner, this is the alternator, and on top we have the AC compressor. So we don't have, guys, okay, water pump, where it's located. Let's cover that today, and we will explain common mistake people make as well. So if we come right here under that timing cover, that's where your timing belt will be located on the 1.4 fire engine. If you're right there, okay, you remove it, you will notice that your water pump will be part of the timing system. That's a water pump. That's what it looks like, guys. It's driven by the timing belt. You can see those are the teeth for the timing belt. It attaches to the engine block only with 4 bolts. That's the back side of the pump. So that's it, guys. That's the pump right there. In order to replace it, you need to remove the belt. If you want to see how to do that, we will have the video how to replace timing belt on Fiat 1.4 engine, so check it out. It will be on the channel. It will teach you step by step. Now, when you guys replace the water pump, you will need to drain your coolant, right? Because otherwise everything will leak out. Then you need to add coolant. That's when people make a common mistake. They'll just add coolant and start driving. But you need to actually bleed the cooling system. If you do not bleed the air out of the cooling system, you may end up having an air pocket somewhere in the cylinder head or the engine block that will prevent coolant to flow between the radiator and the engine, and that can result, guys, into overheating, and that can cost you guys thousands of dollars. So always bleed the cooling system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.